Welcome to volcanic regions, where nature's most destructive force creates tomorrow's sustainable construction materials.
Volcanic eruptions produce millions of tons of ash, historically considered waste requiring costly disposal.
In 2021, La Palma's Cumbre Vieja erupted for 50 days, generating €400 million in damage and volcanic material.
Romans discovered volcanic ash from pozzolan, created hydraulic cement, lasting over 2,000 years.
Today's processing plants transform volcanic waste into valuable supplementary cementitious materials.
Deposits near active volcanoes provide endless supply of natural pozzolan with zero mining costs.
Fresh pyroclastic material contains highest pozzolanic activity, with glass content exceeding 70%. Daily collection exceeds 50 tons from single volcanic region during active eruption periods.
State-of-the-art facilities process volcanic material, meeting International Cement Standards, ASTM C6118.
Raw material arrives containing particles from fine dust to 46mm chunks, requiring size reduction.
Initial testing verifies silica content 54 to 60% and alumina 14 to 17%.
XRF analysis confirms pozzolanic oxide sum exceeds 70%, qualifying as natural pozzolan.
Amorphous glass phase provides pozzolanic reactivity superior to crystalline volcanic materials.
Temporary storage holds 500 tons, protecting material from weathering before processing begins.
High moisture content requires drying below 5% for efficient grinding and storage stability.
Vibrating feeders transport material at controlled rates, preventing equipment overload and blockages.
Initial screening separates volcanic bombs and rocks exceeding 100 millimeters from processable ash.
Material advances to primary crushing, reducing particle size for efficient drying and grinding operations.
Primary jaw crushers reduce volcanic material from 100 millimeters to 20 millimeters through compression.
Hardened steel jaws operate at 250 tons pressure, processing 30 tons hourly. Secondary cone crushers further reduce particle size to 10 millimeters through gyration motion.
Multi-deck screens classify material into 3 size fractions for optimal processing efficiency. Closed-circuit operation guarantees all material achieves target size before advancing to drying.
Bucket elevators lift 20 tons hourly to rotary dryers operating at 500 degrees Celsius.
Direct-fired dryers rotate ash through heated environment, reducing moisture in 7 minutes.
Natural gas burners generate 800-degree exhaust gases, providing thermal energy for moisture evaporation.
Moisture content drops from 30% to below 2%, ensuring storage stability. Dried material achieves free-flowing properties essential for pneumatic transport and grinding efficiency.
Cyclone collectors recover fine particles, preventing atmospheric emissions and material loss.
Multi-stage filtration achieves 99.9% particle collection, meeting environmental regulations.
Automated sensors maintain optimal 180-degree discharge temperature, preventing material degradation.
Pneumatic transport eliminates dust exposure, moving material at 20 meters per second. Intermediate storage provides buffer capacity, ensuring continuous grinding operation during maintenance. Quality checks verify moisture below 3% and particle temperature cooled to ambient. Drying transforms sticky, heavy material into light, free-flowing powder, ready for fine grinding. Energy recovery reduces fuel consumption by 30%, improving process sustainability.
PLC automation maintains precise drying parameters, processing 40 tons hourly continuously.
Steel grinding media weighing 50 tons cascades through material, creating impact and attrition forces. Controlled feeding maintains optimal 25% mill load, maximizing grinding efficiency. Grinding reduces particle size from 10 millimeters to 50 microns in 45-minute residence time.
Grinding increases specific surface area from 200 to 4,000 square centimeters per gram.
Dynamic air classifiers separate particles, ensuring consistent 50-micron product specification. Centrifugal force separates fine particles, achieving precise size distribution control. Closed-circuit operation recycles oversized particles, ensuring 100% meets fineness specifications.
Processed pozzolan transports through sealed systems, eliminating workplace dust exposure.
Vertical mills combine grinding, drying, and classification, reducing energy consumption 40%.
Hydraulic pressure applies 150 tons force, crushing material between rollers and grinding table.
Integrated drying eliminates separate dryer equipment, reducing capital and operating costs. Variable speed separators adjust classification cut point, producing customized fineness grades.
Vertical technology reduces power consumption from 40 to 25 kilowatt hours per ton processed.
Modular design enables roller replacement in 4 hours, minimizing production downtime. Laser particle size analyzer verifies 90% passes 50-micron screen, meeting pozzolan standards.
Blane fineness exceeding 4,000 square centimeters per gram indicates optimal pozzolanic reactivity.
10 storage silos hold 5,000 tons capacity, segregated by fineness and chemical composition. Air injection systems maintain powder fluidity, preventing bridging and enabling continuous discharge. Continuous sampling monitors every production batch, ensuring consistent quality specifications.
Advanced laboratories verify volcanic ash meets ASTM C6180 and EN 450 international standards.
XRD analysis confirms high glass phase content, essential for pozzolanic chemical reactions.
Silica plus alumina plus iron oxide sum exceeds 70%, qualifying as Class N natural pozzolan.
LOI testing verifies carbon content below 6%, preventing concrete discoloration and air entrainment.
Activity index measures strength development, requiring minimum 75% of control Portland cement. Test mortars contain 20% volcanic ash replacement, cured for 7 and 28 days.
Ground volcanic ash achieves 81% activity index, exceeding minimum 75% requirement.
Mechanical grinding increases pozzolanic activity from 60 to 81% through particle size reduction.
SEM reveals angular particles with rough texture, providing mechanical interlocking in concrete.
Pore analysis shows high surface area, enhancing pozzolanic reaction sites with calcium hydroxide.
Calorimetry measures reaction heat, volcanic ash reducing temperature rise 30% versus pure cement.
Pozzolanic reactions continue developing strength, exceeding Portland cement at 90 days maturity.
Pozzolan consumption of calcium hydroxide dramatically improves sulfate attack resistance.
Pozzolanic reactions create denser microstructure, reducing permeability 50% at 28 days.
Blended cement production combines 65 to 85% clinker with 15 to 35% volcanic pozzolan.
Computerized batching controls exact proportions, ensuring consistent blended cement composition.
10-minute mixing achieves homogeneous distribution, preventing segregation during storage and use.
Pozzolanic Portland cement, reduces carbon emissions 25% while improving long-term performance.
Final product testing verifies compliance with ASTM C595 blended hydraulic cement specifications.
High-speed packers fill 120 bags hourly, with integrated weighing, ensuring accurate quantities.
Automated palletizers stack 40 bags per pallet, shrink-wrapped for weather protection during transport.
Pneumatic loading systems fill 25-ton trucks in 15 minutes for delivery to ready-mix plants.
Climate-controlled storage maintains cement quality for 6-month shelf life before hydration begins. Daily shipments reach construction sites across 500-kilometer radius, supporting regional building industry.
Ready-mix producers incorporate 20% volcanic ash, reducing cement costs and environmental impact.
Pozzolanic concrete achieves identical 28-day strength with 25% less Portland cement consumption.
Major infrastructure projects specify pozzolanic concrete for superior durability in harsh environments. The coastal and marine applications benefit from enhanced sulfate and chloride resistance, extending service life. Mass concrete dams use high-volume volcanic ash, reducing temperature rise, preventing thermal cracking.
Precast manufacturers achieve architectural finishes with improved workability from pozzolanic additions.
Traditional masonry mortars benefit from volcanic ash, improving water retention and long-term strength. Alkali-activated volcanic ash creates cement-free geopolymer, achieving 40 megapascals in 2 days. Replacing 35% Portland cement with volcanic ash reduces CO2 emissions 8,000 tons annually.
Volcanic ash processing consumes 90% less energy than Portland cement clinker manufacturing.
Dry grinding eliminates water usage, reducing environmental impact compared to wet processing methods. Converting volcanic waste into construction materials exemplifies circular economy principles, reducing landfill burden. Communities near volcanoes earn income from previously worthless waste, strengthening local economies. Roman volcanic ash concrete survived 2,000 years, while modern concrete deteriorates within 50 years. MIT research reveals volcanic ash enables self-healing through continuous pozzolanic reactions with calcium. Over 50 countries produce natural pozzolan from volcanic deposits, supporting sustainable construction worldwide.
Iceland processes volcanic ash from 32 active volcanoes, creating renewable construction material supply. Sakurajima produces 500 kilograms ash daily per square kilometer, processed into 200 tons pozzolan monthly.
La Palma's eruption generated 92 hectares of ash, now transforming into low-carbon reconstruction materials.
Ecuador's 55 active volcanoes provide abundant natural pozzolan, supporting South American construction markets.
Pinatubo's massive eruption created centuries of pozzolan supply, still being processed today.
Pozzuoli's volcanic ash remains the world's most famous pozzolan, name originating from this Italian location.
Hawaiian basaltic ash provides unique pozzolan composition, ideal for marine concrete applications.
New Zealand's abundant volcanic deposits supply construction industry, reducing imported cement dependency.
America's Bureau of Reclamation pioneered modern pozzolan research for massive concrete dam construction.
Emerging technologies use geopolymer ash printing, creating affordable housing from volcanic waste materials.
Advanced formulations combine volcanic ash with silica fume, producing concrete stronger than many steels.
Thermal expansion of volcanic ash creates lightweight aggregates, reducing structural dead loads.
High alumina volcanic ash produces technical ceramics and refractory materials for industrial furnaces.
Volcanic ash soil stabilization improves subgrade bearing capacity, reducing expensive aggregate requirements.
University research programs advance pozzolan science,
training next generation of sustainable engineers.
International standards committees continuously update pozzolan requirements based on latest research findings.
LEED and BREEAM Green Building certifications award credits for high-volume pozzolan concrete usage. From destructive volcanic eruption to sustainable construction material in 48 hours of processing innovation. Volcanic ash proves nature's most violent force creates tomorrow's strongest, most sustainable building materials.